Oreo really
I knew
hates
I would
taking a
find you out
bath.
here. You know what it's time for, don't you? It's time, buddy. It's time. You need a bath. Mm-mm. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Oreo, when I run this water, I'm coming back to get you. Okay? Because I can't take it no more, boy. I can't take it no more. You are strong. And not with muscles either. It's bath time, buddy. I'm going to run the water. I'm coming back to get you. Gonna be ready? Oreo, you gonna be ready? Oreo, I know you hear that water running. You ready? You gotta go, buddy. It's time. Waited long enough. Really, Oreo? You gonna get behind the cage? You really hate getting a bath, don't you? Okay. You gonna be a good boy? Look at you being a good boy. Look at you. You being a good boy. Good boy. Look at you. You're gonna get all clean, smelling fresh. You're gonna get a treat for that. You've been so good. Yeah. All done. Smelling better already. You look just like a lion. Look at you. Smelling good. You ready to go now.